In this quick video, I want to show you how to top off, add antifreeze coolant to any modern day Chevrolet Malibu. It's fairly simple to do. This particular one is a 2012, but you might have one from 2008 all the way up to 2026. It basically works with the same concept. So you want to make sure that you have GM Dex Cool compliant or compatible antifreeze, and I'll put a link in the comment section, Zertex, where you can get it directly off of Amazon that's already concentrated and ready to go that you can buy. Plus I'll put a link to a little funnel that you can get. But you want to make sure it's Dex Cool compliant, because that's what GM requires in order to work for the Chevrolet Malibus. You want to locate the reservoir. So as you can see here on the Chevrolet Malibu, it's right here. It's usually going to be bigger and clear. Sometimes it will be on the passenger side. This 2012 is closer to the driver's side. It's going to be larger and clear. And this reservoir is also called a surge tank, S-U-R-G-E, surge tank. So you want to look for the cap that you're going to fill that says surge tank. It says reservoir Dexpansion, and as you can see there, it says Dex Cool. That's what I told you, it has to be Dex Cool compliant, the antifreeze. So it'll say Dex Cool. As you can see there looks like a little radiator there, like a little radiator icon, and you could see there that it looks like something like this, and it's going to the radiator. Sometimes it'll lead here, sometimes it'll lead here, but it'll look like this. And as you can see there, it's clear because you can see, and this is where the line goes. So you want to make sure it's topped off over here, but you don't want to fill it past here. Like I said earlier, you want to make sure that you have a funnel and that you don't try to fill it in willy-nilly like this. And the reason is because antifreeze is very toxic to animals and wildlife. So if you're outdoors or even inside, you don't want your pet or squirrel or something for it to leak out onto the ground and for a little animal to get a hold of it, because that will end their existence if they do so. Also, I'll link to the end of this video here to another video. If you have the concentrated, as you can see there, this one was concentrated with full antifreeze. If it says concentrated, you want to make sure you mix it with distilled water, half and half. So I already took out half of this and put 50% distilled water, and then make sure that it was shook up, and then that's what you want. Now the bottle that I'm going to put on Amazon is already concentrated with water, so you don't have to worry about mixing it. Okay, but this one is mixed. You want to make sure that your engine is completely off and has not been running for a good 30 minutes, and I would actually say an hour. That has not been running. It's cool to the touch. And you want to make sure you have your funnel ready. And I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get a little cheap funnel, but you can get these for like $3. You could actually make your own, but please don't try to do it just with the bottle. All right, so you're going to remove your antifreeze cap, also called the surge tank cap or the Dex Cool cap. Let's go ahead and put our funnel in. And as I'm pouring, I'm going to be watching this line, making sure it does not go over. And this one's pretty full already. All right, I think that does it. This one was already pretty full. Now, if you ever want to fully flush out your antifreeze in general in your vehicle, that's actually a good idea, especially if you live in warmer climates. It'll actually make your radiator and your lines work for much longer. So you could take it to a mechanic to do a full flush. Some people will do it at home. They'll use actually a turkey basin, and they'll make sure they remove it all and they'll purge it out, and then they'll put fresh coolant in completely, which is good, but you can do that. All right, if you have any comments, put it in the comment section. Again, link in the comment section where you can get Dex Cool compliant radiation fluid, antifreeze, and a link to a funnel. And put in the comment section what year Chevrolet Malibu do you have? Do you have a 2012 like this? Do you have a newer one? Tell me where yours is located. If you have a newer model, is it more on the passenger side? Where is it located? And put any comments in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe.